In this video, I'll walk you through how I set up my TP-Link RE315 Wi-Fi range extender to boost the signal in areas where my router couldn't reach. If you're struggling with slow speeds or dead zones in your home, this is a quick and easy fix. Here's how I did it. Step 1. Plug in the extender. I started by plugging the TP-Link RE315 into a wall socket near my main Wi-Fi router. This is just for the initial setup. After a few seconds, the power LED lit up and stayed solid, which meant the extender was powered on and ready to connect. If it doesn't light up, you can press the small reset button with a paperclip to reboot it. Step 2. Use WPS to connect, optional. Since my router has a WPS button, I used it to connect the extender quickly. I pressed the WPS button on my router first, and then within 2 minutes, pressed the WPS button on the RE315. After about 30 seconds, the RE LED turned green, which confirmed the connection was successful. If your router doesn't have WPS, or this method doesn't work, don't worry. You can still set it up using the app, which I'll explain next. Step 3. Set up with the TP-Link Tether app. I actually preferred using the TP-Link Tether app because it gave me more control. First, I downloaded the app on my phone. Then, I connected to the TP-Link _extender network that appeared in my Wi-Fi list. Once I opened the app, I logged in with my TP-Link ID. The app automatically detected the RE315. I just followed the instructions, selected my home Wi-Fi network, entered the password, and chose to keep the same network name. You can also give the extender a different name if you want. After it saved the settings and rebooted, the RE LED turned green, which confirmed that everything was working. Step 4. Reposition the extender. Next, I unplugged the extender and moved it to a spot that's halfway between my router and the room where the signal used to be weak. I plugged it into a wall outlet there and waited for it to reconnect. The LED on the extender helped me know if I picked a good spot. If the light is green, the signal is strong. If it turns red or doesn't light up at all, that means it's too far from the router and needs to be moved closer. Step 5. Final checks and tips. Once the extender was in place, I walked around the house with my phone to check the signal in the problem areas. I could instantly see the difference. The Wi-Fi signal was strong and stable where it used to lag or drop completely. I also went back into the TP-Link Tether app to double-check the settings. From the app, I can see how many devices are connected, change the name, and even update the firmware to keep it running smoothly. For best results, I made sure not to block the extender with furniture or place it near large electronics like the microwave. Done and working great. That's how I set up the TP-Link RE315 Wi-Fi extender in just a few minutes. It's been working great ever since, and I haven't had any connection issues in those weak areas of my house. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tech.